Hey guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today is the unboxing and overview of the Viking 10 Pro by RCA. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the unboxing here and let's get this going. So it's not packaged in tape like you would normally see, so it should be easy to get out for me. I don't rip the package here. And hope you all enjoy this unboxing. Okay, again, just for reference, this is a 10-inch screen, 1280 by 800. It has Android 6.0 out of the box. Has a 4-core processor, which is pretty standard nowadays in tablets and phones. Even on the lower end phones, you have you have quad-core processors, although they're not clocked at high speeds. But even then, so okay, okay, there it is right there. All right, and I just put the box aside, so let me go ahead and just pull this out. If you guys haven't watched my other video, I also did an unboxing of an item called the RCA Cambio, which is a 2-in-1 Microsoft Windows tablet. And here we go, probably just instructions on how to use this. And I'll kind of just put this aside. Charging cables right there. Interesting, not even plastic. That's interesting, actually. I'm seeing a trend with RCA. They're starting to instead of using micro USB to charge their stuff, they're just using these little connectors. So I find that interesting, although there is a micro USB slot right there, if you can't see, right where my thumb is. But again, interesting micro HDMI cable, 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course the charging port, power button right there, and interesting, a USB port. So I didn't think I was going to see that in a tablet hybrid. So again, let me fix this really quick so I can get it turned on for you guys. Let me see if it has juice. We'll get it going from there. Let's see. It's already connected. So again, it's not as easy like it was with my with the RCA Cambio. That one very easily detachable. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to detach this later on. Again, it's supposed to be a hybrid tablet, but I guess you can think of this as basically like a a Chrome tablet, so to speak. Again, it says it's compatible with Google Play, front and rear facing cameras. It's got, according to this, up to 6 hours of battery life, so that's going to be interesting. And again, it's running Android 6.0, so that's so weird. How about let's see if the touchscreen works. It's got a mouse, integrated with this, so the touchpad does work. As you can see there, you can see the mouse kind of pop up. Let me see if I can fix my tripod in a way where you guys can see this better. So again, this is just formalities. I'm gonna skip the Wi-Fi for now. Skip anyway. And it's so interesting. I've never really used a tablet with a mouse. Let's see. I'm gonna have to definitely change the time. If you guys don't follow my channel, I actually live in Texas, so that's Central Standard Time. And if I can even find that, let's find out. London, I don't live near London. Tijuana. Okay, Tijuana's in Mexico, but again, Mountain Standard Time. Mountain Daylight Time, there we go, Central Daylight Time, okay. So we'll leave it like that, although it's about 1:20 in my area. We'll just put budget. Budget Tech mic. Alright, whatever. That way I can just leave it like that, okay. Hopefully let's just stay like that. Alright. I'll leave this device unlocked for now. Skip anyway. So this is just the initial setup of the actual tablet, guys, and of course, this is pretty formal. That what you would see in any type of tablet, but there you go. It says welcome. Wallpapers, widgets, blah blah blah. You have to touch the screen background to change it. So right now as you can see here. The tablet itself, let me see if I can get it zoom in here really quick. There it goes to the screen. So the tablet itself seems pretty fluid. Right now, if I swipe from the top right, you get notifications. You can actually go to my settings here. So let's take a look at the settings really quick. Let's go to about the tablet and let's find out. So again, it's running Android 6.0. You know, Android security patch level from October 5th. So I'm not sure how old this tablet is, but you know, for under $100, you really can't go wrong. I mean, especially if you're looking for something that's relatively cheap and something that's inexpensive. And again, this is going to be interesting. I'm going to have to kind of figure out how to take this tablet off this little docking port. But again, guys, here I'm going to close this just so you guys can see the tablet itself. So there you go. You have the RCA branding right there. You have a pretty big camera on the back. There's a reset button. Let's see. You got plus or minus over here where my thumb is. So I'm assuming that's where the volume is. Let's see. You do have a slot for micro USB or micro SD card slot. So again, this comes with about 32 gigs of internal memory. So if you need that expandable memory, the option is there. And again, I'm not even sure how I would pull this off, but again, I'll look at that later for the review, guys. And as you can see, it's pretty snappy. I mean, if you were to rotate it like this, and it's meant to be used as a tablet or as a hybrid tablet, so to speak. Right out of the gate, I can tell you right now that this little thing right here for the keyboard is broken, and it came like that. So I might actually have to send it back, or I might actually give this away in a giveaway, I don't know. But again, we'll see, guys. And right out of the gate, I can tell you right now, let's see what apps this baby comes with. Out of the gate, you have your stock Android apps, Chrome, your contacts, Google Drive, etc. like that. Let's see if it comes with a lot of bloatware. So from the gate, I don't see a lot of bloatware. I do see the Walmart app, which is where I initially purchased this, but I'll post an Amazon link down below just so you guys can check that out. Has a user manual, Voodoo, for video streaming, etc. like that. So not a lot of bloatware app. It has a file manager, so you can check that out as well. Google Keep, your basic Google essential apps. It's not gonna Hangouts, which is not something I know a lot of people use anymore. But again, not too bad. And from the feel of it, it's actually running pretty good. So again, guys, this is just the unboxing, quick overview of the RCA Viking Pro 10. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Of course, I'm probably going to change the background, make this look a little cooler, test it out a little bit more later. And again, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, please comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.